Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix bugs and make changes in a Shopify custom theme. So, if your Shopify custom theme has bugs or you need modifications, follow these steps. Number 1 is identify the issue. Test your store in incognito mode or on different browser and check for console log. So navigate to your store, then navigate to online store, click on preview online store, then right click on inspect. Now, here you'll have to look for error messages. Also, you'll have to look for issues after installing a new app, custom code, or theme update. Now, second way to fix your problem is backing up your theme before making changes. Go to Shopify admin, navigate to online store, navigate to themes, click on three-dotted icon here. Here, you'll have to search for an option saying actions, and here you'll have to basically duplicate to create a backup. Now, third way to fix this problem is fixing common bugs. So, some common bugs include layout issues. Check for missing or extra div tags in theme.liquid. Simply navigate on this page, click on this three-dotted icon, click on edit code, and here search for theme.liquid, choose theme.liquid, and here you'll have to check for missing or extra div tags that will be associated in the code. Now, another bug includes broken images. Ensure that the images are correctly linked and exist in the assets folder on your Shopify. Now, there are some CSS errors that could create this problem. So inspect custom styles in the theme.css or base.css. Also, you can disable custom scripts one by one to find the culprit in JavaScripts. Now, fourth way to fix this problem is editing code for custom changes. So, navigating to editing code, we can modify theme.liquid, header.liquid, or footer.liquid for design changes. We can use DOM theme references if your theme is based on your Shopify's default. Now, you can reinstall or roll back updates. If an update broke your theme, revert to an older version using theme history. Now, sixth way to fix this problem is hire a Shopify developer if needed. If the issue is complex, consider hiring a Shopify expert or using the Shopify community for help. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more videos.